Hmm?
Yes, sir.
What is delegate? Delegate is a reference type. Delegate is a, already we discussed about this. Delegate is a reference type. Delegate is a reference type. Delegate object can hold the address of a method. Delegate object can hold the address of a method. Okay, and delegate object can hold the address of a method. Using
Delegate.
delegate, we
We
can
can invoke a method
we can invoke a method
without you
using.
without calling the method without using the method name.
Generally, if you want to invoke a method, we need to use the method name. But whenever you will use a delegate concept, the delegate object will hold the address of a method. Due to that reason, using delegate, you can invoke a method without using method name. And to declare a delegate, we have to use delegate keyword. We have to use delegate keyword. To declare a delegate, we have to use delegate keyword. So we have to use delegate keyword. Okay, right. The story for delegate. Voice is breaking. Any noise? Any breakings are there in voice?
No, sir.
So we know this getting breaking. Maybe one person means you just log up and log in. Yeah, this is the story. Okay. So finally we can say it's a reference type which can hold the address of a delegate object. Object means first you need to declare the delegate. See, you have to define the class, you have to create the object. Similarly, here a delegate object means first you have to declare the delegate, and then you have to create the object for delegate. Two steps. Step one is defining the class. Step two is creating object. Similarly, step one is declaring the delegate. Step two is creating object for delegate. So similarly, to declare a delegate, we have to use delegate keyword. You need to use delegate keyword. Here, delegates are two
Two types:
types. Number one, single.
single caste,
Yeah,
caste.
yeah, Kalyani, wait. Single caste delegate. Single caste delegate. Number two is multi-caste delegate. Multi-caste delegate. Coming to the single caste delegate. Single caste delegate means a delegate which can hold, delegate which is holding, I'm sorry, a delegate which is holding address of one method. A delegate which is holding address of one method is called as single caste delegate. Is called as single caste delegate. A delegate which is holding address of one method is called single caste delegate. Okay, using single caste delegate, we can invoke only one method at a time. We can invoke only one method at a time. Coming to the multicast delegate, a delegate which is holding address of multiple methods. A delegate which is holding address of multiple methods is called as multicast delegate. Is called as multicast delegate. A delegate which is holding address of multiple methods is called as multicast delegate. Multicast delegate. So, okay, using multicast delegate, we can invoke multiple methods Using multicast delegate, we can invoke multiple methods in a single call. In a single call. In a single call. Okay, that is the story about this. Okay, so this is the story. Already you prepared all these things, I think. Huh? Right, I'm sending through chart. Yes, go through it one more time, all of you. You see what is that? Delegate is a reference type. Delegate object can hold address of a method. So delegate object is holding the address of the method. Using delegate, we can invoke a method without using method name. To declare a delegate, to declare to declare a delegate, we have to use delegate keyword. Delegates are two types. Delegates are two types. One is single cast delegate. Number two is multicast delegate. A delegate which is holding address of one method is called single cast delegate. Using single cast delegate, we can invoke one method at a time. A delegate which is holding address of multiple methods is called as multicast delegate. Using multicast delegate, we can invoke multiple methods in a single call. At a time, we can invoke multiple methods in a single call. Okay.